is it?
Guess what? I got a surprise for you. Look who this is. Look at that.
Yay!
Yeah.
Who is it, Connor? It's Elmo!
Can you give him a hug? Give Elmo a hug.
And a kiss!
Look at this. Press his hand.
Look at Elmo. Your very own Elmo.
Y-M-Z. Look at this. He's got this one that comes out of here. That's the, what letter is that? What letter is that one? It's an E. E is for Elmo.
Connor,
What's your favorite letter?
your very own Elmo.
What letter is that? Is that an E? That's Elmo. How neat is
Say
that?
thank
Connor?
you.
Elmo. Can you give him a hug?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Daddy?
You're welcome, sweetie.
Elmo. Yum. Where are you going with Elmo? Where are you taking him?
Can you reach the juice?
Paper.
You want your juice? Here you go. It's Elmo. Do you like your Elmo doll? That's right. You press it. Squeeze this one. Right
It's for Elmo.
here. Yeah.
What's your favorite letter? Elmo loves it's for Elmo.
Yeah, what's this? A, B, C, D. Can you say A, B, C, D? Can you say A, B, C, D?
That's his foot. Where's his eye? Where's Elmo's eye? Yeah, where's Elmo's nose? Yeah, Connor?
Oh, that's right. Yeah. I know. Elmo.
Are you showing Elmo all your toys?
Press his hand. Squeeze his hand. I know. I know. Elmo. That's Elmo. He's pretty neat, huh? Yeah. Elmo and juice. The only two things you need in life. Yeah.
What's your favorite letter?
What's your favorite letter?
You want to take Elmo night-night?
Those are his shoes. You see Elmo's shoes? Shoes.
Elmo shoes.
What's your favorite letter?
Good job, Dad. He has his own Elmo now.
Elmo loves the alphabet.
Want help? Want me to get that in
E
there?
is for Elmo.
Can you give Elmo a big hug one more time?
Give him a big hug.
You gonna give him a kiss on the nose?
Hug.
Oh,
What's your favorite letter?
Elmo.
Gotta hug him tight.
Brrr.